How to delete your Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Cryptos. If you also want to delete your Netflix account, then you've come to the right video because I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of it. Now before you delete your Netflix account, make sure you cancel the payment in order to stop getting charged on your card or on your PayPal. To do that, open up your Netflix, tap on the profile icon on the top right, tap on account, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll have an option of cancel membership. You can tap on it and cancel your existing membership. Once it has been cancelled, you can scroll down even further and you'll have an option of delete account. Tap on it, and before you delete your account, you'll need to confirm your identity. Either you can do it through your email or by confirming your payment details. The easier method would be through email. You just tap on this option and a code will be sent to the email address that you have added in, and in the next section you'll need to type in the code that has been sent. Once you type in the code in the next section, you'll see this screen. Now all you need to do is check this box and then tap on permanently delete. After you tap on it, the deletion request will be sent to Netflix and your account will be successfully deleted. So that's the process of deleting your Netflix account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.